Chevy Colorado and the GMC Canyon share the same platform. Same factory, same generation. Most people assume the seat covers work the same way too. They do not. The Colorado's seat width and headrest post spacing are set to Chevy's specific measurements, not GMC's. People found that covers labeled for one will slide and bunch on the other. The differences are small, but a seat cover is a tight-fitting product. Small differences are exactly where it fails. Both trucks also share something more important: side impact airbags built into the seat bolsters themselves, not the door. Any cover that wraps too tightly over that zone creates resistance where there should be none. Seat cover solutions build separately for the Colorado and the Canyon, right down to headrest spacing, bolster shape, and airbag-safe seam placement. Starting at $389 for a full front and rear set fitted to your exact model year and trim.